If you're experiencing an installation loop with your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your device back up and running smoothly. Step 1. Restart the device. Begin by performing a simple restart of your Steam Deck. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until the device powers off, then turn it back on. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that your Steam Deck is running the latest software. Navigate to the Settings menu, select System, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs that may be causing the installation loop. Step 3. Verify storage space. Check if there's sufficient storage space available on your Steam Deck. Go to the settings, select storage, and see if you have enough free space. If not, consider deleting unnecessary files or games to free up space. Step 4. Reset to factory settings. If the problem persists, you may need to reset your Steam Deck to factory settings. Go to the Settings menu, select System, and choose Factory Reset. Be aware that this will erase all data on the device, so back up any important files first. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, it may be time to contact Steam support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the problem and the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.